I have three captains who are playing with me. The confidence, I don't need to look. First match captaincy. Yeah. Surya, obviously, when I'm not there, he's the ideal choice.
Hardik, this is about captaincy. I asked Rohit also last season after IPL last year. He played in Mumbai under you, and then he became the captain of India team. So in your situation, how do you look at it? You played under Rohit and Surya, and there is also Bumrah who became India captain. How do you see the situation? Is it thrice over? And secondly, just want to ask you about your no-look uppercut, which is quite a big spectacle. What is the secret behind confidence and self-poise?
Sir, the captaincy part is that I'm lucky that I have three captains who are playing with me. It adds more and more experience for me that if I required help, I know that there are three different minds who have led India for different formats, and with so many years of experience can be always there and they can put the arm around my shoulder and always be there for help. So I look at it that way. Now coming back to on the shot, I think that is, sir, more reactive shot. I think that would have not happened if the bowler would have not seen and showed me the expression that, yeah, it's gone for a boundary. When I played the shot, I looked at the bowler and the coach and bowler and the captain. They both put their head down and they were going back. So I knew it has gone for the boundary. So the confidence, it's from the practice, but maybe the execution came on the heat of the moment where I played the shot, they reacted like that. Then I don't need to look if it's fine. So, that's it.
Yeah. My question is to Hardik. Hardik, in your absence, is it obvious that you name the three captains now? Jasprit is not there. It should be either Rohit or Surya. And one more question. Corbin Bosch, what made MI think to go for him, an all-rounder like him? He played Lizard Williams in the team. Is it because he brings in a lot of experience, 86 match T20 experience?
First match captaincy. Surya obviously, leads India as well. When I'm not there, he's the ideal choice in this format and exciting one as well. So, yeah, that. And the second question was, sorry, sir.
Corbin Bosch.
Corbin Bosch. Oh, very exciting. We had to make a change. Williams was not available, so and Corbin has been playing for MI South Africa and he's been doing fantastic. So when we looked at his stats, when we looked at his potential, we didn't really had to think much. He was more likely to come and join us, and which is here. He's very exciting talent, and we look forward to having him.